Hi everyone, let's make a hair growth spray. So guys, I'll be using bitter leaf to make this hair growth spray because bitter leaf is rich in minerals that encourages hair growth. It also clears dandruff from the scalp. It makes the hair to be healthy and that encourages hair growth. So I'll go ahead to wash the bitter leaf very well to remove dirt and dust. Then I will transfer it into this plate. After transferring it into the plate, I'll go ahead and add hot water to it. So right now I am adding the hot water. This water is really hot. You can boil it if you want to. Then I cover it up and let it sit for 1 good hour. So guys, this is 1 hour later and this is what the water is looking like. It did not change much color because I didn't boil it. I tried to do it this way so that I won't kill the nutrients. Then I will go ahead and transfer it into the spray bottle so that it will be easy to apply on my hair. I've transferred it and I will go ahead and add a little amount of olive oil so that the water doesn't go bad quickly because I'll be using it for 1 week on my hair. So this is what it is looking like. Then I shake it very well so that the oil can mix together with the water, which I know is not possible. So guys, I'll go ahead and take out the rubber I am using to band my hair and start applying it. I'm on a hair growth journey with mini braids. I don't really know how long I'm keeping this mini braids, but I'll try to keep this mini braids for as long as I can. Okay, in this 2024 we are growing long natural hair. Okay, so I start by putting my hair in this mini braids, then making hair growth treatments to help my hair grow. So as I said before, bitter leaf water helps to clean the scalp and eradicate dandruff, and which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. So after using the spray on my hair, I went ahead to apply olive oil on my head. Then I massage my edges and my whole scalp so that there will be a lot of blood flow. So this is what my mini braids are looking from behind. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.